How to log into your Paychex employee account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Start by opening your preferred browser. Navigate to search bar, type in paycheck.com. Press enter on your keyboard. You will land on official interface of Paycheck. To sign in or log in, navigate to login button at top right. Click to open it. Now here you can easily choose your Paycheck login. So since this video is for employees, you simply need to select employee. After that, you need to scroll down and look for the employee login option. So let's click on Paycheck Go. After that, a new window will open where you can see payroll login. So you need to go to the employee account and then enter your username. And then if you wish to save your username, check mark remember me. In case you forgot the username or password, click on forget username or password link underneath username box, and after that you simply need to recover. After you enter the username, click on the next button, enter your password, and after that follow on screen instruction and you will successfully log into your Paycheck employee account. That's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.